In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in your Gmail messages, making your emails personalized and visually appealing. So, whether you want to make your email stand out or simply prefer a certain typeface, this guide will walk you through the easy steps to customize the font in your Gmail account. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail's official website. If you're not already signed in, use your credentials to log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the Gmail interface. You'll see a gear icon, which symbolizes settings. Click on this gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select See All Settings. This action takes you to the Settings page, where you can customize every aspect of your Gmail experience. Now, you're on the Settings page. Here, you'll see several tabs running across the top. Click on the tab labeled General. The General Settings page will now be displayed, showing a variety of customizable options for your Gmail account. As you scroll through the General Settings, keep an eye out for the section titled Default Text Style. This is where we will make all the changes for your new font settings. Once you locate the Default Text Style section, you'll see a few options such as font style, size, and text color. To change the font style, click on the font currently displayed. A list of different fonts available will pop up. Browse through these options and select the font that fits your preference. Remember, the font you choose here will become the default style for your outgoing emails. If you also want to change the font size, look just next to the font style option. Click on the current size, and a menu will allow you to select from small, normal, large, or huge. Choose the size that best suits your needs or the message you're trying to convey. You can also adjust the color of your font. By clicking on the current color, you can select a new hue from the palette. Once you're satisfied with your selections, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Changes button. It's crucial to save these adjustments, otherwise they won't take effect, and you'll have to go through the whole process again. With these changes saved, your emails will now reflect the selected font style, size, and color by default whenever you compose a new message. This customization can give your emails a fresh look and feel, injecting personality and professionalism tailored to your style. That's it. Now you know how to adjust the font in your Gmail messages, making them unique and more aligned with your preferences. Enjoy your personalized emailing experience.